Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer repair video. Today we're going to be repairing the HP Officejet 6978. Basically, if you're having any issues with your print quality, a certain color isn't printing, or you have choppy prints, or an overall print quality issue, I'm going to show you a method today that you can inexpensively fix this problem yourself, and I highly recommend anybody do it. This is a very easy process that any age or gender can take part in and fix this machine and not spend hundreds of dollars. So really quickly, before we go right into the video, I just wanted to mention my product, which we're going to use in this video. Is going to be in the description below. There's going to be a link down there. It's going to be a Printhead cleaning kit, and it's a product that I sell on Amazon.com under my company Best Printers. Very inexpensive. You can get it with Amazon Prime. If you don't already have Amazon Prime, I'm going to leave a link down in the description below as well for you to sign up. It's free. You can get this package very quickly within a couple of days. And that is going to be a free sign up to you for 30 days. So go ahead and click those links. Anytime during the video, if you see something that you need, or you see a product that you need to purchase that I've mentioned, you can pause anytime. Just keep that in mind. Purchase it or put it in your shopping cart and then come back to the video. I highly recommend that you do that because I'm going to mention a lot of really helpful products and a lot of solutions to this problem. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get it started. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to go ahead and lift up the top of the printer so that your print head comes right to the middle here. You're going to wait for it to come right to the middle. Then what you're going to do is you're going to remove your ink. Now, really quick, I have been working with these printers for years, and I can tell you that main cause of this problem is the printer ink and running it too low, whether it's remanufactured or HP. It doesn't matter. Usually it's because you are running your ink too low. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to leave a link in the description below for some remanufactured 902 HP ink. It's compatible with this printer. It's going to probably be 902 XL, but it's going to be very inexpensive. But I highly recommend that you go ahead and get that product and then put it in your shopping cart, save it, do whatever you need to do. That's a product that I highly recommend. As long as you keep up with it, you will not have this issue again. Just pause the video if you need to, get your ink, and continue with the video if needed. So that link again is going to be in the description below. This next part is kind of tricky, but if you follow the instructions, you'll do just fine. So you're going to get a folded up piece of paper. This is paper towel in the kitchen. Any type of paper towel is fine. And what you're going to do is you're going to move the print head slightly to the side there, and you're going to put your paper towel right down in there. Now next, what you're going to do is you're going to have two hands. So with one hand, you're going to power this off, and the other hand, you're going to gently hold on to the print head until, let it move. Don't completely grip it to the point where it's going to break. But what you're going to do is you're going to power it off. This print head is going to want to move a few times, but it's not going to be too powerful. As long as you have your hand on it, gently, let it move around a little bit, that's fine, but don't let it move out of place to where your hand is, just like that. Once it's completely shut down, it'll stop moving around like that. And what you can do now is you can flatten this paper towel down, move your print head right over the paper towel, just like that. That was perfect. Okay, so now at this point, once you've got it here, you're gonna make sure that you have your cleaning kit with your cleaning solution and your syringe like this. And at this point, this is what you're gonna need. This is where you're gonna use that. And always make sure that you have a towel on the side there. Make sure to wear gloves. I'm not a good example, but yeah, make sure that you use gloves definitely when you're doing this. I do this so much that I'm just used to it. But basically, you're gonna grab the tip of this syringe here. Okay, if you can see that opening, and you're going to place it right on top, flush with this nozzle. And then what you're going to do is you're going to hold it there, and you're going to push the cleaning solution right through there. Now you might have some excess, you might have a little bit that goes off on the side. That's okay. All right, and next You're gonna just do, and make sure you find out what color you're having issues with, so that you don't necessarily have to do it to all of them, especially if you print out a report, which you can get from your settings, and go into maintenance, and you can print out a report to really make sure what color. I'm doing all of them because if it's a general issue, this is really what you need to do. But you're really just getting the top of this syringe with the rubber glove, of course, and you are pushing the solution right through. Now if it's a certain color, let's say that it's black, I would completely just focus on black and push all the cleaning solution right through there, just like that. And I would push it through as much as you see fit. That's how much you're going to push through your nozzle, because basically the ink is clogged in there. So you are unclogging this printhead, and in the process you are unclogging it and cleaning it out completely. So if you are in a state where you see that there's no black printing out whatsoever, you're really going to need to push a lot of that cleaning solution right through. And you can do that as many times as you need to until the cleaning solution is completely out. I highly recommend though that you focus on a certain color that you're having issues with. If it's a general print quality issue, again, you can do all of them. Now this syringe is very important because it allows you to put more pressure on and get a lot more accomplished. There are some other cleaning kits on the market, but I have found that this is the best one. This is one that has a bigger syringe, and that is going to be a lot more valuable to you when you are doing this project. So it's very vital that you make sure and use this cleaning kit. Again, it's going to be in the description below. I'll also have it in the comments section, but I'll have some ink as well. But after you're done, just go ahead and dry this down with the paper towel, and make sure that everything is completely dried. And then of course you're going to take out your paper towel that is soaked, and you're just going to throw that away. Now if there's any excess clean down there, just make sure everything is completely dried before you install the new ink. Now if you're waiting on some new ink to come in the mail, wait until you get this project. If you buy the ink and the cleaning kit together, that would be the best idea for you. If you get those two and get them prime, and you get them around the same time, because you don't want to put in your old ink. You want to put in the new ink. And so it's very important that you wait for that new ink, that if it's coming in the mail, you make sure to get that before you start printing again. This should solve the issue at this point, but you're going to need to test it and of course see if it did work. And you're going to do that by printing off a test page or printing whatever it is that you were printing before. Alright guys, so that's really all there is to it. Now if you've done this method and for whatever reason it doesn't end up working for you, you end up not solving your problem, which you should have. This works in 95% of cases if you do it properly. There's also some other instructions to help you get it done even more thoroughly in the box when you buy the product. But if this didn't work out for you, I'm also going to leave a link in the description below for a new printer for you to purchase this printer brand new, and that's going to help you out. That's going to help you solve the problem altogether if you just get a new one. But that's really the last option. That's the last resort. You really want to try to save this machine because you don't want to end up spending a few $100s again. You really just want to make sure that you fix the problem and you can go on with printing. And I really hope that this product ends up helping you. If it does, I would really appreciate if you left a review on Amazon. That would be greatly appreciated. Now if you have any questions at all about how I did things here or what I did, feel free to leave those questions in the comments below. I'll make sure to get back to you and help you out with whatever issues you're having. Again, there's a lot of resources in the description below for you to take advantage of. This cleaning kit is vital for you to purchase and to fixing your problem. So make sure to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'd greatly appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and until next time. Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today we're going to be talking about my new website, bestprinterstech.com. Now a lot of people browse my website because they're looking to repair their printers. Usually they're buying cleaning kits, other times they're maybe needing to buy a printhead. But either way, this website is geared towards you as the consumer getting exactly what you need. So you can, step one is to try and clean the print head, which is usually what you need to do. And for that, you can come over to my website here, and you can come over here to printer cleaning supplies and kit. Now, whether you have an HP or a Canon, you can click on one of these links and it will take you to this cleaning kit, which I highly promote, which I highly recommend. And you just need to click on this image here and it will take you to